2021 Chevy Suburban. Not at all you say? Okay, great. I'm going to give you a brief overview. It has a 4 out of 5 star rating for safety, and it comes in 8 different trim levels with 3 different engines. A 5.3 V8, a 6.2 V8, and a 3.0 Duramax diesel. You're going to get 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Hello, road trip. You're going to get 3-year, 36,000 miles bumper-to-bumper warranty and 5-year or 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. A few key safety features will be your heads-up display, blind spot alerts, you have your 360 camera on the front, you're going to have your parking sensors on the front, you also will have rear pedestrian alerts, you're going to have lane keep assist and alerts, and of course, automatic emergency braking. My favorite features on this vehicle will be, of course, the keyless starts and the ventilated seats for these hot summer months. A base model LS will be $53,995. If you're not driving the 2021 Chevy Suburban, then what are you driving? And this concludes the highlights for the 2021 Chevy Suburban.